Anyone who knows me reasonably well is sensible of the fact that I am not fond of lawyers. I've had a number of run-ins with them over the years, my 30 years as a printer, as a businessman, and I actually wrote a story to include in my first Poor Richard's Almanac. The title is The Benefit of Going to Law. Two beggars traveling along, one blind, the other lame, picked up an oyster on the way, to which they both laid claim. The matter rose so high that they resolved to go to law, as often richer fools have done who quarrel for a straw. A lawyer took it straight in hand, who knew his business was to mind nor one nor the other side, but to make the best of the cause. As always in the law is the case, so he his judgment gave, and lawyer-like he thus resolved what each of them should have. Blind plaintiff, lame defendant, share the law's friendly impartial care. A shell for you, a shell for thee, the middle is the lawyer's fee.